If Apple Music is not playing on your iPhone, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is toggle down the control center and expand this, and if you see this Bluetooth icon, tap on it and make sure that you are using the correct device. Maybe you are connected to a Bluetooth device, so switch back to iPhone or switch back to the Bluetooth device wherever you want to play the Apple Music. Now the second fix is, what you have to do, you have to just open the App Store, tap on your name banner, and now scroll down to the bottom and tap on sign out. Okay, and now tap on sign in with the Apple ID. Okay, again, now logging out from the App Store and then logging back in, and then just close the Apple Music and open it again and see whether it works or not. If this also does not work, then the third fix is just long press on it and delete the app. Okay, tap on keep subscription. Now go to App Store, search music from Apple and install it again, and your problem will be fixed. If this is still not fixed, make sure you have an active subscription of Apple Music. So just go to settings, and in the settings homepage, tap on your name banner, tap on the subscriptions and see whether Apple Music is there. The subscription of Apple Music is there. If it is not, just subscribe to it. Thanks for watching. Please do like.